Hey there, Kim Wolf here with Affiliate Marketing Informant. So in this video, I want to show you how to embed your Provely notification onto your WordPress website. So once you have designed your notification like this, the next step is that you have to come down here and grab this code and embed it on your website in order for it to display on your website. So you can see the notification boxes here. However, if you were to actually come and go by the training that is in Provely, right? So come here, come to Help Center. This second video talks about embedding a widget on your website or page, and it actually recommends using a plugin, which is one way to do this. You certainly can use a plugin that will help you embed this code on your WordPress website. And that plugin is going to be good if you have a lot of things you want to add onto your website and then you have lots of different codes. However, personally, I don't like to have a lot of plugins on my website because they are known to slow down your WordPress website once you get a lot of them on there, and then sometimes they can actually conflict with each other. So I try to be minimal with the plugins, and that's why I'm showing you how I did it a different way without a plugin. All right, so we're going to go back to Provely. I'm going to just do a Command A and then a Command C. That select all of the copy and then copies. You can also do this here. You can just choose the copy button. Now I'm going to go inside of your WordPress dashboard. Okay. You're going to come to Appearance, come to Theme, File Editor. Now you're going to be in the back end of your website. One note of caution is if you don't have a backup of your website, go ahead and do that now. Back up your website. A lot of hosting providers have a backup for you, so you can just confirm that you have a backup just in case something messes up. That's why a lot of people don't recommend doing this way, because one character missing, one thing wrong can actually mess up your site. However, don't be intimidated. If you know what you're doing and just stick with what I tell you, it actually can work pretty easily. So once you're in sort of your theme style sheet here, you're going to come over here to Theme Header. And then you're actually going to come into here. So normally you would not see this. See, I have already put in my script right here. So I'm just going to remove it. This is what it's going to look like for you. Okay. And what you're looking for are these head tags. So you have the start of the head here. And then with this bracket, you have the end of the head here, right? What you do with the code, just come here to the last line, essentially right above this closing tag, which means it just closes the header. You're going to put in a space like that just to give some space between this line. You do not want to mess with this line at all. And then you're going to do a Command V, which is a paste, and hit another, basically hit the return key to put some space. Now you can see this is telling you the start of the script for Provely notification, and then this is the end. So as long as you leave this code exactly the same, then you're going to scroll down here and you're going to choose Update File. Right? And when you update file, it's going to actually embed the code into your page like this. So I have already embedded it, so I'm not going to save anything, but you can see that this page is saved, and you should see this once you save it. You're going to see the script here. That's all you need to do to make this happen right here. So I'm going to refresh the page just to show you that it's working. And what happens is this actually has a delay, so it will pop up in 10 to 15 seconds, and you can see it did the bouncy there, which you can control in Provely. And that's it. That's how simple it can be. No need for plugins. You can certainly do the plugins. That's one way to do it, or you can just do it this way, easy peasy. And I hope this video has helped you out. If it does, definitely give it a like so more people see it. Subscribe to our channel so you can see more awesome videos like these. And if you have any questions, as always, please leave us a comment. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.